Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am giving you a full and simple guide on how to use Lora in Stable Diffusion 2025. Let's get started. First, go to the extension tab in your automatic 1111 interface. Make sure the Lora extension is listed. If you don't see it, you will need to update automatic 1111 to the latest version. Next, head over to the civitai.com. Click on Model, then in the filter, select Lora. Now, pick the base model you want to use and then choose a Lora model that matches. Once you have found the one you like, go ahead and download it. Now, take the downloaded file and move it to your Stable Diffusion. Then go to Model and go to Lora folder. Then go back to your extension tab and restart the UI. Once restarted, click the Lora tab at the bottom. You should now see your Lora model listed. If you don't see the Lora tab, you might still be on an older version. To fix that, just click the Show Extra Network icon below the Generate button. Let's test it out. I will create an image of a samurai cat. Now, I will go to the Lora lab, select my model and click it to add it to the prompt, and then hit Generate. Let's take it up a notch. I will adjust the Lora strength to the max, say 0.7, and generate again. As you tweak the Lora value, you will notice the image changes. Keep adjusting until you get the result you want. If your Lora doesn't show a preview thumbnail, here's a quick fix. Choose an image you like, place it into the Lora folder and rename it exactly to the match the Lora file name. Restart the UI one more time. Go to the Lora tab and boom, it's there. And that's it. You are now ready to use Lora model like a pro in Stable Diffusion. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.